Hello everyone, welcome back, and I'm Anita. Today we are going to talk about woman as a daughter. Woman as a daughter needs a woman too, and for her woman is father. You might have often heard, or you yourself might have told this many times, that daughters are close to their fathers. Yes, indeed it is. Let's talk about something today on woman as a daughter. You might have often heard that a girl has born in the family. लोग बोलते हैं अरे उसके घर लड़की हुई है, लक्ष्मी आई है. बट क्या ये सिर्फ बोलने के लिए है या फिर हम सच में उसे लक्ष्मी मानते हैं? उसकी तो लाइफ में स्ट्रगल पैदा होते ही शुरू हो जाती है. Why? Because a girl child needs to be perfect in each and everything she does. There is no imperfection word written in her life's dictionary. That means she should be perfect in each and everything she does. The society demands the same. Do you think being a daughter is easy? Well, here I can tell you, it differs on the family's upbringing. So each family is different, right? So daughter is being expected to be a responsible one in taking care of the family, doing household work, taking care or helping her siblings, right? Respect the decision of their parents. So when we talk about parents, yes, लड़कियों के लाइफ में कर्फ्यू लग जाता है. इसी टाइम पे आना है, इसी टाइम पे जाना है, right? And then too, she loves the entire family. She respects her parents. She does each and everything which has been expected out of her, being a girl child. That too, perfectly. Yes, the perfection into her comes from the birth itself. Why? Because God also knows that yes, बेटी से perfection पूछी जाएगी. We say that the world is changing, the society is changing, but do you really think that it is changing their attitude towards the girl child? So here, who plays an important role? So here the woman for her is her father. She only expects one thing from her father, that father should love her and understand her. और यही एक दूसरे में फ्रेंडशिप क्रिएट करती है. So father should be a friend to her daughter, wherein she should come and say everything, or she would like to share each and everything about her life. वो झिझक नहीं होगी क्योंकि वहाँ फादर नहीं है, वहाँ एक दोस्त का दर्जा पाया हुआ है, राइट? फादर ने वो चीज़ बनाई हुई है कि बेटा तू जैसे भी है मेरे लिए मेरी प्रिंसेस है, राइट? तो यही मैं कहना चाहूँगी कि लेट अस चेंज द थिंकिंग एंड परसेप्शन टुवर्ड्स अ गर्ल चाइल्ड. वरना हर लड़की यही सोचेगी और भगवान से यही कहेगी कि हे भगवान, अब के किए सो दाता ऐसा ना कीजो, अब के किए सो दाता ऐसा ना कीजो, अगले जन्म मोहे बिटिया ना कीजो. अब के किए सो दाता ऐसा ना कीजो, अगले जन्म मोहे बिटिया न कीजो, अगले जन्म मोहे बिटिया न कीजो, कीजो तो मोहे तू बेटा ही की Stay connected for more videos, and thank you for all the love you have poured. Thank you so much.